Hi, my name is Wiji Lacsamana. I'm an illustrator. I'm from the Philippines. It's a very eclectic culture. There's a lot of humor to it, but there's also a lot of serious energy. There was a deeper bond with nature, pre-colonial Philippines. If you look at my illustrations, there's a lot of emotions that comes with these Filipino rituals and beliefs. When the pandemic arrived, there was another lockdown and people couldn't get to work. People didn't have money. And there was this one lady who decided she would help out by putting out a bamboo cart filled with vegetables, fruits, rice. And it just had a sign that says, "Take what you need, leave what you can." And people were so touched, I needed to paint it. A lot of these rituals our ancestors actually believed in, and I feel like we've come full circle. The concept of bayanihan is when neighbors help each other out. Back in the old days, when people lived in nipa huts and we needed to move to other places, our neighbors would literally pick up the house and move it for us. I didn't know I would research so much for this project, but I did, and now I emerged from it with a greater understanding and greater respect and love for the traditions. I'm honored to be part of this program because I feel like this is such a huge platform for people to see what Filipino beliefs and rituals are all about.